The official start time for today's spacewalk, 9:57 a.m. Central Time, 10:57 a.m. Eastern Time, as the crew confirmed the opening of the hatch to the Poisk module. So the first spacewalk of the year at the International Space Station now officially underway. It was the 270th spacewalk in support of space station assembly, maintenance, and upgrades, the first out of the ISS this year and the first for Expedition 71. This was the 7th spacewalk of Kononenko's career. He now has totaled 44 hours and 30 minutes of spacewalking time. Today he became the 6th human to conduct spacewalks in 3 different decades. On this, his 960th day in space over the course of his career. For Nikolai Chub, this was the 2nd spacewalk of his career, now has totaled 12 hours and 17 minutes of spacewalking time. In all, the 270 spacewalks for space station in its history have now totaled 1,715 hours and 25 minutes, which is the equivalent of 71 days, 11 hours, and 25 minutes of spacewalking time.